I was trying to pick up my girlfriend from work on a stormy day. I took a shortcut and blew a tire. I pulled over and tried to change it, but my trunk was tricky to access. My dad called and told me about a screw holding the spare tire in place. I removed it and tried to jack up the car, but I didn't position it correctly. My dad arrived and helped me fix the mistake. I finally changed the tire and picked up my girlfriend, who hadn't experienced the worst of the storm. I learned a valuable lesson about being more careful when changing a tire, especially in difficult conditions.